I'm Erica Natividad in Pickering, Ontario, where Canada's national junior dragon boat racing team are putting paddle to water this weekend, getting their final training exercises in before they hit the world stage in just over a week.
Don't give up on me! Go now, ladies!
This is the junior Canadian national team, so the kids are aged 12 to 18 years old. We come together in a couple different configurations, women's, men's, and mixed, and we race against other kids the same age throughout the world.
I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, and I'm from just outside of Woodstock, Ontario.
I'm from Montreal.
They come from across Canada, and on Monday night, the 47 youth that make up our national team leave for Thailand. They'll be racing for gold against more than 20 other countries at the World Dragon Boat Championships.
The Asian teams have a very fast stroke. They're very strong. They do paddling at a very high level. I mean, for some of them, it's their career, so we'll be watching out for those.
Dragon boat racing is a high-intensity canoe sport. There are 20 paddlers in total on the boat, 10 on each side. There's also a drummer or caller at the front and a steerer at the back.
I feel exhaustion. I feel like my body can give more, but I know I have to give some more, and I have to continue paddling, and I have to be with the team.
Lots of pain, but I know I've done it before. I can paddle through it. I can paddle as hard as I can, and I'll be fine in the end.
It demands a seamless level of teamwork. Luckily, these teens seem to get along just fine.
It's a kind of foolish team, as you can see.
I've known them for as long as I can remember. They're one of my closest friends. They're goofballs. I love all of them.
We try and make it fun for them, but at the same time, they know when we're training and when we're on the water, it's focused, and when we're off the water, they can let up a little bit.
The team tell me they couldn't be more honored to represent Canada, not only for themselves, but for their families, too.
My grandmother passed away, so I'm really here for her because she was my biggest cheerleader. Sorry. So I'm here, and I want to get a gold medal for her.
Go Team Canada!
Well, the World Dragon Boat Championships take place in Pattaya, Thailand from August 20th to 25th. Last time around, our national junior team won the most gold medals, earning them the World Junior Cup. In Pickering, Ontario, Erica Natividad, City News.